Yes, and so we are back. I got some more products and I'm feeling a little real. Got my little animal prints. Yes, animal prints is one of my favorites prints of all times. You can never go out of style. I've even had a birthday cake that was leopard print. Shout out to my friends that made that happen. That was definitely my 25th. A leopard print cake. I loved it. But this your first time stopping by. My name is Mikara Reid. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? Happy New Year. So we are on our third try for the Makeup Atelier Paris lipstick swatches. I got two of my lipsticks that I ordered. If you guys been watching the other sets, I'm gonna say the other episodes that was a part of this set, I just got a little happy in my little shopping spree, and I ran over to my little makeup store in New York, Alcon. Shout out to y'all. And I said, you know, give me all the reds in this brand, because I found out about this brand about 2 years ago for my birthday, and this brand stuck by my side all throughout that day. And Lord knows I was drinking, I was talking, and sometimes your lipstick just fades away, and I can't be looking out here crazy. I'm very image conscious, so yes. So they ordered some lipstick, some reds. I'm feeling very red. I feel like red and fuchsias, a nice deep fuchsia, fuchsia pink is going to be, my signature colors this year for lipstick. But I've been feeling a lot of reds. I've been doing a lot of virtual calls, and I've been throwing on a lot of lipstick, and I just got tired of what I have, and I wanted something new. I mean, I don't know how many of you guys been buying a lot of stuff for 2020, but I wanted to buy something. And on top of that, it was on sale for 30% off. So I spent $50 for 4 or 5. I want to say 4. I think they only bought me 4. I have to look at my receipt, but yeah, I got the 2 today. We're going to try out this one. I'm excited because the 2 reds look very fiery. Real. So yes, this is the color. Yes, we are going there today, ladies. So this one is Rouge Franc. I'm pretty sure it's Franc because this is a France-based brand, and Franc is pronounced Franc, if I'm not mistaken. If you guys are watching this from that brand, but if I apologize if I mispronounced it, but I'm 80% sure that it's Rouge Franc. But I'm excited. This is my type of red. This is my type of red to have some fun, to be bold. I'm a bold lip type of girl. Okay. And we're going to get into it. Okay. You can't tell by my shirts. I will wear this very proudly. Okay. If I was outside. So let's get into this color. Yes. So this is what it's looking like. I don't know if you guys can see it, but let's put it on these lips. Oh, yes. I love it already. I love it. I love everything about this. It screams real. Okay. Gotta have some tissues on deck. You always gotta have tissues on deck, ladies. Okay. Yes. Love it. Yes, this is a 10. A 10. I mean, just looking at the outside, it is just, this is my type of color. I'm a very vivid type of girl, so any type of color will get me excited. I already know how the long wear goes because, like I said, I was introduced to this brand 2 years ago, and a girl was out and about and had no worries to worry about. Yes, for my girls in the back, if this is your first video that you come across, I did mention in the previous video, but if you are looking for a stains lipstick, this is it, and this is not a promo. If you are trying to, you know, take it off real quick because you got a hot little date and y'all get into it, you know, you're gonna be in the bathroom for some time taking this off, and definitely be prepared to like condition your lips, like do like a nice little lip exfoliant, do a nice little lip scrub. I definitely do that because this brand definitely gives you a nice high pigmented, long lasting type of wear. And it stains, like it stains. So y'all let me know if y'all feeling this. I love it. Put a nice little liner with this joint. Girl, you can't tell me nothing. Let me know if y'all feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it. Let me know down below in the comments, and we are gonna go to the next and I hope that's last, but girl, like I said, I got too happy, but we're gonna go to the next one. The next one is a lot more fiery red, which I am super excited. It reminds me of MAC's Lady Danger. That was one of my favorite lipstick colors because it really like boom, like in your face. And when I was living in Miami, that was definitely like a signature color that I was wearing for a dark skinned girl. And the colors I was always wearing, this certain type of olive green with that. Yes, girl, I was doing a damn thing. But stay tuned. I hope y'all liking this lipstick color, these swatches. I'm definitely having fun. Let's go on to the next one. Bye, y'all.